Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look. Here I come. In 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. In the multiverse. You're welcome. And we have a great show for you. Bang, today. Yes, indeed. We have a great show for you today. All right, guys. So, let's see. Story number 1. Interactive brokers to offer crypto. So, I'm sure most of you don't know who Interactive Brokers is, but I'm going to tell you, because guys like me, we know all about Interactive Brokers, and we're going to show you a little bit of something loose with that. I think Coinbase offers loans against Bitcoin, and so, daggone, here it is. We read that one the other day. So we're going to talk about that when we get there. We'll talk about that when we get there. And I'm going to start talking too quick. And then, Mexico crypto legislation. We're going to talk about Mexico coming out with the goods. And then we're going to do the usual shout-outs and daily summary as per usual. So let's proceed how we proceed with the bang. Well, let's do a little bit of look, bang. What we got here? Hear the music? These guys are rocking and rolling. It's 3:57 a.m. You hear that car? No, on South Beach for you, baby. This place rock. Well, it don't stop rocking. All right, though, let's get to our stories. Let's get to our stuff. Price of Bitcoin, $35,336. And when I left you yesterday, we're at 300,000. Sorry, not 300,000. Fuck, I wish. I probably wouldn't be sitting here doing this show if we were at 300,000. I'm just kidding. I'd do it forever. Look, we're going to do it forever. I'm not fucking leaving. All right, look. So today, Bitcoin's at $35,336. Hold on. And yesterday, it was at $35,305. So we've gone up. What's that? $29? Yeah, $29. Well, all right, we're rich. Let's go. We're rich now, boys. Good job. We did it. All right. I'm just kidding. I wish. Hurry up and wait. All right, top 10 of the day. Let's get this shit over here. Top 10 of the day. Usual suspects. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, Dogecoin, XRP, USD Coin, Polkadot, and Uniswap. All right, let's look at the market moves. Market moves of the day, single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Look at you, Polygon. Bang, bang, bang. Look. 11% up today. Nice. V-chain. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Literally single digits. Dang, God. Oh, there we go. What do we got here? Theta Fuel, 15% up. Oh, 20% up. Bang. All right, single digits up, single digits down. Two, single digits up, single digits down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Bang. All right, top 10 losers. Chili's, Nexo, Amp, Cello, Thorchain, Bakery Token, Kusama, Elron, Terra, and Swissborg. Let's see who made money today. Wait, is that? All right. Let's see who made money today. Bang. Top 10 gainers. Theta Fuel, Quant, Polygon, Ravencoin, Unisedlio, Harmony, Horizon, Algorand, Waves, and KuCoin token. So you know how we do it on Saturdays. We look at who lost money and made money for the week. So let's see. Top 10 losers of the week. There's that internet computer thing. All right, top 10 losers. Internet computer, Thorchain, SushiSwap, Synthetics, Shiba Inu, UMA, Clayton, Ave, and Chainlink. Holy, Chainlink all the way down to $20. Fuck. All right. All right, let's see who made the most money this week. Don't worry, boys. We're all waiting for the next pulse. Waiting for the next pulse of movement up. All right, so top 10 gainers of the week. AMP, Quant, Theta Fuel, Revain, Chiliz, Terra USD, USD Coin, Binance USD, Paxos Standard, and Trust USD. All right. Let's see what the total market cap is. All right. Wow. To be expected. Total market cap is $1.504 trillion. When I left you yesterday, we were at $1.486 trillion. So we've gone up 0.018 trillion dollars. All right, let's look at the 24-hour volume. Holy crap, are you serious? Fuck. Wow. I don't know if this is true or not. That's weird. All right. 24-hour volume, $79.2 billion. That's what the screen says. So that's what I'm reading to you. But I don't believe that. That little bit? Fuck. I mean, even in 2019 when we were just ranging. All right, guys. Well, anyway, this is the numbers. So, $79.2 billion today. And when I left you yesterday, we're at $94.3 billion. So we've gone down $15.1 billion. All right, that's what it says. That's what it says. All right. Let's get to the stories. All right. Whoops. Buy Interactive Brokers to offer crypto trading. So, for you masters out there, the few of you that I have, you know what Interactive Brokers is. For the rest of you, Interactive Brokers is it's a trading platform, and it's for guys like me, like guys whose money makes us money. We're not rich, right? We're not rich enough to get a Bloomberg terminal and all this, but we're not idiots. We don't use, E-Trade and stuff like that. This is the middle ground, sort of the middle class of the upper middle class. Well, just middle class of the trading world. In other words, it's guys like me who don't need our hands held with E-Trade. But like I said, we don't have the money for a Bloomberg terminal and stuff like the big dogs, right? And so Interactive Brokers is a big deal. It's people like me, like I said, like middle class, upper middle class guys who our money makes us money. Yeah, we know how to work the markets. You know what I mean? We know how to work markets. We know the trend is our friend. We know to buy the dips. We know blah, blah, blah. Our fundamental and technical analysis. And we're the real guys who actually, when you hear about stories of like, oh, this guy made it. Yeah, that's us, right? And that's what Interactive Brokers, these guys here in America, it's for guys like me. It's for guys like us who our money makes us money, right? And so that's a huge deal because while this is going to expose, real traders, guys who make a living trading, to the cryptocurrency world. And like I've told you guys here before, Shomari, why don't you trade crypto? Because it's immature, right? I'm not going to trade it yet. But once the tsunami arrives, of course, I'm going to start trading once we start trending properly and all that. And that's what this is. Like, this is going to get it set up so that once the tsunami starts arriving, now you're going to see guys like me rocking, right? Now, no longer just little dumb soccer moms and dad, dumb money, but smart money, just independent smart money. That's what we are. I'm smart money, but just independent, right? I don't work for a brokerage firm or anything like that. I work for myself. And that's what interactive broker guys are mostly like. If you look at most of the guys that are on there, yeah, they know the real deal. But they're like me, right? Like I said, we're not rich. We're just regular people. But better off than most, as we don't have to go to work like you fuckers. Look! So this is amazing. There's a lot of guys around America, interactive brokers. Okay? So that's what these guys are. I don't use them. I use Forex.com personally, but these guys are hardcore boys too. Wow. The platform is. And so that's what you have to understand. There's 3 types of markets. Well, sorry. There's one market, but there's 3 types of investors. Soccer moms and dads who really don't know what they're doing. So they just get E-Trade and Charles Schwab and, well, honey, Microsoft's not bad, and they just do like that. Interactive brokers is more guys like me, like we're in there killing it, right? But we're not rich. We're just regular middle-class guys, right? And then you have the next level up, which is the big dogs, where they have, Bloomberg accounts, Bloomberg terminals in their homes and all that. Okay, so this is smart money, but middle-class smart money. It's not the ones we're waiting for. All right, so you get it now. Okay, let's read it right here. Let's read the byline. Interactive brokers is known in the traditional investing world, to all of us killers, as one of the most popular e-brokers in the U.S. Yeah, they've been around offering trading stuff since the beginning. When you go to E-Trade, you use the E-Trade shit. Yeah, when you go to interactive brokers, you use MetaTrader, right? A real trading platform, right? Not that stuff for the children. No offense. But really, that's what you're doing if you have an E-Trade account. That's a child. That's like the kiddie table. This is more, the teenagers. So when you go to Christmas, you have three. Where in my family, there's 3 areas of Christmas. You got the kiddie table, the kids. Then you got the teenagers and the young kids. We all sit around in the watching basketball, and then you have the adults who sit at the table and talk business and blah 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 blah. All right, so interactive brokers is the teenage table. Well, not a table, but it's the teenager stuff. We don't want to hang around with mom and dad, but we're not going to hang out with the kids either. You know what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? You see how the difference is? Yeah, we're beyond the kid level, but I'm not going to listen to that boring business talk of my uncles. Right? You know what I'm saying? I don't want to hear all that. And so this is big. This is mega. This is going to bring a lot of money into the crypto space, like I said. Anyways, so that's how it's going to be. All right, so let's read about it. Let's check it out. All right, so let's check out the takeaways. Interactive Brokers has announced that will offer crypto trading to its customers by the end of the summer. The popular e-broker has a reputation for having some of finance's most knowledgeable traders as clients. Exactly. Like people, when you trade on interactive brokers, it's guys like me. Like we know what we're doing. All right. We know how to trade the trend, all that shit. So they give us all the tools to do that, right? If you're on E-Trade and all that kind of crap, you get those little heat maps and shit to make you think that you know something. Yeah. This is not that. This is for guys who know what we're doing. And, well, there's a lot of us. And so while it's not the big money, this ain't tsunami money. It ain't stupid money. It's not dumb money. It's smart money, okay? The popular e-broker has a reputation for having some of finance's most knowledgeable traders as clients. Yeah, exactly. I mean, That's how it is. Yeah, I'm sure you've never heard of it. But believe me, in the trading world, when you're a real trader, you go to Interactive Brokers or brokers like mine, like Forex.com or like back in the days, FXCM, stuff like that. Like we get the professional tools, right? And kick ass, All right, so the firm will look to challenge Coinbase and Robinhood, which are currently the focal points of custodial crypto trading in the U.S. Interactive Brokers will begin offering cryptocurrency trading on their platform to an estimated 1.3 million clients by the end of the summer. But that's what I mean. Like, there's a lot of us. Like, there's a lot of guys like me whose money makes us money, right? Like, we don't have 9-to-5 jobs. We just invest, but we're not rich, like people always think of an investor, as someone on Wall Street, with a $2,000 suit on, or, with a limousine and a private driver and all this kind of stuff. That's not really how it is. It's mostly, well, in terms of numbers, guys like me all around the world, like, if you go to my Forex Factory stuff, go look at the Forex Factory guys talking. They're normal guys just from Indonesia, from Saudi Arabia, from Chile, from South Africa, wherever, right? But they're just normal dudes, right? But just, I don't know, we just took the time to figure out how to trade proper, and so we're killers. But we're not rich. I know it sounds weird, right? Like people think of, investors, like always just these super, super mega rich guys. It's not like that. There's millions of us around the world who our money makes us money, but we're just like normal. I mean, some of you maybe even make more money than I do, just in your regular little worker bee job. Well, not a little worker bee job, probably as a doctor or a lawyer. Something big, but yeah. And so that's what Interactive Brokers is. Like I said, we're the middle class of the investing world. You got soccer mom and dad, losers. Just kidding. I love you guys. But you're losers in terms of investing and just fucking around. But I'm not really. I'm telling the truth. You got to use heat maps and all that bullshit. And then you have Interactive Brokers or Forex.com, like where I trade, where it's middle-class guys, and we have a lot of money. Well, we have a good amount of money, and we know what we're doing, so we keep making more, but we're not rich. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not going to make a trade, and I'm going to make fucking $1 million. Nah, I'm not rich like that, right? That's why I'm doing crypto. Like I've told you here before, the whole reason I'm doing crypto is to make between $3 to $5 million. Yeah, $1 million of those dollars, the first $1 million I take out, bang, going straight into my Forex account. Yeah, well, then I'm going to be making 20 to 50 grand a day. All right? And that's what guys like that are on Interactive Brokers are like. They're like me. Like, you know what I mean? We have money, but it's enough to live and, make money, but not, we don't have a yacht or a mansion. You know what I mean? Do you get it? All right. So by the end of the summer, they're going to come online. So bang! And that's guys like me, like I said, and they have money as well, right? They have money. Like we have money, right? We're not waiting for the next paycheck to fucking buy something. I just go to my bank and take out a 10-piece chicken and buy what I want, right? You know what I mean? When I want to. And so that's the level. We're waiting for what I preach about on this channel, a tsunami. And that's institutional investors. Those are the big dogs. You know what I'm saying? Those are the big dogs. That's what we're waiting for. That's what this channel is about. Having you position your portfolio, market positioning to have your portfolio ready for when those kind of guys come. Interactive Brokers is more like guys like me. We have money and we're ready to dabble in some markets, baby. If it's going to bring us some ROI, why not? And so, okay, so there we go. Traditional brokers embrace crypto. So there's the traditional market, the real markets now. And regulated and safe. Fuck, first of all. It's not some fuckery little BitMEX or Bitstamp, BitTrex, bit this, bit that, this swap, that swap kind of crap. This is the real deal. Like I said, these are for boys who actually really make money. Right? A lot of people say that I'm in the markets. Well, there's being in the markets and there's are you successful in the markets? You're in the markets, but you're still a worker bee. So you're not so successful. I'm in the markets, and the markets are how I make my money. See what I'm saying? I live by the markets. I die by the markets. Well, I don't die. I live. And that's what Interactive Brokers is for guys like me who, like I said, I said it probably 30 times just now. But we live by markets. So they will offer trading to your clients this summer. It was announced Wednesday. Bang! The firm's CEO, Thomas Peterfy, told CNBC that it had opted to step into the space due to overwhelming client demand. But the boys are asking for it. Oh, yeah, they're ready. I know. I told you. People ask me, Shomari, man, why don't you trade crypto? It's not ready yet. But I'm going to once the pros get here. Of course, what do you think I'm going to do? Of course, I'm going to fucking trade crypto, motherfucker. I'm not going to buy and hodl like this shit that I'm doing now. You know, I'm going to be trading it. But it's not ready yet. The market's too immature so far. But this is the kind of stuff. These are the kind of boys you want coming into the space to fucking make this place work proper. The trend is your friend. Daggone, the trend is your friend. Fuck. Just so simple. Anyways, Interactive Brokers is known for being home to some of the most sophisticated traders on the market. Exactly. That's where we play. With over 1.33 million active users in 2021 and over 300 billion in custody. 330 billion in custody. While the platform currently offers trading on Bitcoin futures, the coming update will add trading for many other cryptocurrencies, as well as direct ownership. Oh, they're getting dirty with it. All right. Fuck. They're getting dirty with it. Many of the firm's rivals, such as Fidelity or Charles Schwab, don't yet offer crypto trading. The popular stock trading app Robinhood has been opening the crypto market to millions of customers in the last few months, however. Coinbase's move to go public in April has also turned heads in the traditional sector. The traditional sector, the real money sector. With the crypto native firm hitting out $103 billion valuation on listing day, Interactive Brokers will be looking to challenge the likes of Coinbase by offering crypto trading to the general public. But, of course they will. Real traders, that's what we trade on. Interactive Brokers. I mean, I told you, I use Forex.com. But if I didn't, I'd probably be using these guys. Real shit. Not fucking, no offense to anybody, but not E-Trade or, any of that kind of like vanilla shit like that. This is for the pros. And like I said, but guys like me, just guys doing it from their own house. You know what I mean? Like not, not getting up and, going to some office and with the analysts and all this, but we're smart enough that we can do our own analysis, right? Like no analyst knows more than I know. I know the same shit they know. Right? So I don't need them. I don't need to go work at a firm or anything like that. Right? That's why I could do it myself. And that's what Interactive Broker guys are like. They're guys with wives and kids and but they're just badass. They're just badass. You know what I mean? They just trade the trend, buy the dips, and repeat. Yeah. In the crypto world, crypto world. In the Forex world, we say one thing: make pips, take pips, repeat. You just keep doing it, right? Once you know how to do it, you just make money. You take the money, fuck. Right? And so that's what the beauty of this is. We've never talked about this kind of level. We always talk about worker bees or the mega boys. We never talk about my level, which is Yeah, I'm definitely no worker bee, obviously. Yeah, but I'm no mega boy either. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a yacht. I don't have a private jet. I don't have analysts. But I'm smart enough. I'm my own analyst. And there's a lot of guys all around the world. We're our own analysts because we know the stuff that analysts look at. And so, well, we just do the same thing, right? Just because I'm not getting paid by some hedge fund master doesn't mean I don't know what his analysts know, right? Now, I've told you the truth. I've told you already. People are always begging me to trade their money for them, right? Yeah, because they know I'm hardcore, right? I mean, they come to my house and they can see my trades as I'm doing them, and they'll be like, "Oh, trade me money, yo," right? And there's a lot of guys like me. Like, I'm not special. You'd be surprised how many of us there are out there. And like I said, go to Forex Factory. I showed you how to go to my Forex Factory account. Yeah, and go look at the stuff we were talking about in there. Yeah, those are guys, just regular guys with a wife and kid. Yeah, the wife goes to work, but he stays at home trading. Right? They're still a regular middle-class family. Right? The kids, soccer practice, all that. Yeah, but dad stays at home making money off his computer. All right? Many of us, millions around the world. Okay, so listen. Interactive I guess I'm harping on it because it's interesting to see a company like this that services my kind of guys, well, how we are coming into the space finally. So Interactive Brokers will be looking to challenge the likes of Coinbase by offering crypto trading to the general public. Even if the firm will face tough competition standing up against industry giants like Coinbase, there's not going to be any competition. I'll tell you that right now. Adding more than 1 million potential entrants to the crypto market this summer could be a further catalyst for wider adoption. Bang! And that's the truth. Now, like I just said, people ask me, Shomari, why don't you trade crypto? Because the market's not ready yet. The market doesn't move properly yet. There are no fundamentals to this space yet. And so that's why I don't do it. And a lot of these guys, they're not going to do it either yet. They're not stupid. They know too. They know that it, they're going to, they know, but they'll be there. They're going to come. And so that's going to bring a lot of money to the space, and also bring a professionalization to the space, because they will be trading the trends. They will be trading the trends, not just morons, I'm going to buy a red candle, sell a green candle. Like dumb fucks who don't know what they're doing. They know the trend is their friend. They know, 2050 crossover trading. You want to know different styles? 2050 crossovers. You know what I mean? They know the real deal. So that's what's going to be amazing for the crypto space. Bringing in market players, guys like me, like I said, we're not rich. We are not rich. But we know what we're doing. And that'll help the market move in a proper fashion. All right, let's move on. That Coinbase extends its loan against Bitcoin service to more states. Coin share price records an uptick. So, this is interesting. We read about that thing the other day. Hold on, what was that shit? Hold on 1 second, guys. Right, you read about that one company giving loans off of crypto, right? Yeah. Wait, sorry. That's not it. Where is this? Oh, we read about Coinbase for the 401ks. But there was someone that was going to lend money, right? That was going to lend money using your crypto as collateral. fuck was that? Oh, here it is. Anchorage Digital is going to offer Ethereum Oh, yeah, that's right. And they were FDIC insured loans from Anchorage Digital. And so this is the same sort of thing. And these guys, it looks like Coinbase is going to use Bitcoin to do it. So, yeah, like they're going to give you a loan against your crypto. And I talked about that the other day, and it was interesting. One of the guys told me, and you're smart, buddy. You're a smart guy. You figured it out real quick. He was like, well, I should get a loan and then just buy more crypto with that loan. And as crypto rises, just keep paying off the loan, but I keep making more money because the crypto is rising faster than the payments, right, I guess, on the loan or whatever, right? That's interesting shit. That was good shit, whoever you were. I don't remember which one of you guys told me that, which one of the brothers told me that, but yeah. And so that's, anyways, okay, so let's get to the story, though. But so Coinbase, yeah, is going to give you a loan off your Bitcoin. And so you remember what I was telling you with that Ethereum one, and I hope this story tells it. I haven't actually read this story yet, so I don't know yet. But what I was telling you guys was, well, if I give 10,000 worth of Ethereum, and then you give me 10,000 fiat, and then I go spend that fiat, not spend it, because we don't spend, we invest, motherfucker. Look, we ain't miscreants. We invest. I go invest that 10G. When I have to pay it back, do I still just pay back the 10G? Or do you understand? Or do I have to pay back, do they get to keep what Ethereum made while they were holding my Ethereum, right? And that's the same thing as this. If I say, okay, Bitcoin, I want a loan. It's not Bitcoin, sorry. If I say, hey, Coinbase, I want a loan, and here's a bunch of Bitcoin. So say I gave, I don't know, $100,000 worth of Bitcoin. Do I only have to pay the $100,000 back? Or if Bitcoin goes up, do I have to pay what it is at now? Do you get what I'm saying? Did that make sense? That doesn't sound like it made sense. You guys get what I'm saying, right? If I give you 10 grand worth of Bitcoin and you give me 10 grand worth of fiat and I go invest that, then I should only have to pay you back 10 grand. But if the Bitcoin goes up in value while I'm fooling around out here making money, to get my Bitcoin back, do I have to pay you what the new price is? Or do I just get to still pay you the 10 grand? You get it, right? All right. I don't know the answer to that, and that's why I literally said it like that, because I don't know the answer to that. But if it's something like I can give you 10 grand worth of Bitcoin, and then you give me 10 grand worth of fiat, and then I go invest that in and that goes up, but then my Bitcoin also goes up, but I only have to give you 10 grand. Not only do I make money off of the loan you gave me from being a wise investor, but I also make profits because my Bitcoin has gone up. Do you see what I'm saying? All right, guys. All right. If you don't know what I'm saying, just ask me in the comments or something. I'll answer you. Don't worry. So look, where were we here? Hold on. Let me get a fucking sip. Fuck. So this is really interesting. And what I was saying about, and that was the thing I was saying the other day about our girl, what the fuck? All in Downs, her and her girl, right? So these girls are buying, there's two girls, Lorna Downs and, the fuck's her girl's name there? A comedian girl. And anyway, but the comedian girl showed her, and so what showed her about crypto. And so now they're both buying property. Okay, so let's get to just what they're doing. So they're buying properties in Detroit. And, well, if they can get loans on their crypto, so this is what so let me just say it this way. Oh, yeah, I know. I keep starting over, right? If I'm Lorna, I say, okay, I want to buy a house for $100,000. Let's just use an easy number so I can do the math. It's just an easy number so I can do math. All right? So she says, okay, I'm going to give, because she has money, so I'm going to give Coinbase 100,000 worth of Bitcoin, right? She buys 100,000 worth of it, bang, gives it to Bitcoin. Gives it to Coinbase, right? Coinbase gives her the 100 G, she buys the house. So now she's got a physical asset due to this loan, right? But the Bitcoin is still out there doing stuff. Yeah, the Bitcoin is still out there doing stuff. And so can she just, I think what she does is she's fixing up houses. I don't know what she does. I don't know exactly, but some people flip houses, some people hodl them. But if she were to sell that house for, say, 150 grand, can she just pay back the 100 grand? She bought the house for 100 grand. Now it's 150. She sells it for 150. She's got 50 G's there. She only put 100 grand into Coinbase for this loan shit. And now she pays back Coinbase 100 grand, but maybe the Bitcoin has already gone up. Right? So does she get the house money and the profits from the Bitcoin? Bang, bang, folks. Bang, bang. I'm just saying, look into that. I'm not a property master. I'm not even going to get into property. I'm going to be a trader. Well, I am a trader, but I mean, I'm going to trade my money. But that's an interesting thing, because I know a lot of you guys and girls, a lot of you folk, let's call you folk. I know a lot of you folk are into, you're thinking property. And so think about that. Think about that. If you get a loan right now from Coinbase to buy a piece of property, but then the crypto still goes up, you could sell that property, pay off the loan, and still, so you collect the profits off the property. Yeah, but then you get your Bitcoin back, which are higher than when you gave it. You see what I'm saying? As collateral. That's the trick. That's what I want to know about. Because if that's the case, oh, look, motherfucker, I'll go buy houses right now. I'll go buy fucking shit all over the place right now. So that's what's really got to be known. Am I repaying the loan? So I know. I'm harping on it. I know this is a long, fuck, man. You've said this over and over. Are you paying back just the original loan? Or do you have to buy back the crypto at the price it is now? Right? You see what I'm saying? So if I give you 100 grand worth of crypto, but once I flip the house, now my crypto's worth 150 G, the Bitcoin. Do I have to pay you back 150 G? Or do I have to just pay you back the original loan you gave me? Obviously with a little bit of interest or whatever. Everyone's got to make a little bit of money. So we're a capitalist society here. Everyone's got to make a little bit of pocket change. But so that's interesting, all right? All right, so I hope you guys get that. I hope I said that right. That's why I had to say it so many times. Didn't seem like I was saying it right. All right, brothers, sisters. Look. Meanwhile, an investment bank report calls for significant pricing degradation due to no structural barrier to entry, and despite Coinbase hyper-aggressively working to expand and diversify, it's supposed to say diversify its sources of revenue. All right, so listen. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the U.S., Coinbase, has expanded the number of states where U.S. customers can borrow cash against their Bitcoin. So you can borrow cash against your Bitcoin. And that's what I'm saying. If I borrow 100 grand in cash, do I just have to pay back 100 grand? Or do I have to pay it back at the price Bitcoin is months down the road? Because if that's the case, if I have to pay it back, look, if I give you 100 grand worth of Bitcoin and 5 months from now, the fucking shit's 150 grand and I have to pay that back, well, that's no good. That's no good. That's not cool. That's not cool. But if you give me 100 grand now, and then I do what I do, and then I have to just pay you back 100 grand later, even though my Bitcoin might be worth 150 grand now, well, that's good. That's good shit right there. That's that good chicken right there. Look, that's some chicken. Oh, yeah, that's some straight chicken. All right, guys, listen. That's the real chicken right there. If I can give you money and pay you back the original amount, not the amount that it is once I'm going to pay you back. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? I know I'm harping on this. I know. Fuck, this guy keeps fucking going over this. But I want you to get it. If I give you 100 grand worth of Bitcoin January 1st, and then June 1st, 6 months later, my Bitcoin's worth 150, but now I've made my money and I want to pay you, do I have to pay back the 100 that you gave me, or do I have to buy back my crypto at 150? Yeah. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? All right, man. I know, guys. That one I've harped on that. I just literally did that like 10 times saying the same thing. But I want you to get it, right? Because I want you to understand, if you get to pay back the 100 grand only, oh, daggone, fuck. Now we're in business. We are in some serious business. All right, guys, so listen. Now, more Bitcoin holders can use their cryptocurrency as collateral, right? As collateral. As much as 40% and borrow as much as 40% against them without having to sell their Bitcoin and incur taxable gains or loss. As per the Coinbase website, one can borrow... Oh, they're going to tell us right here. Fuck. Like I said, I didn't read this story, so I don't know. One can borrow up to $100,000 from Coinbase with a 7% APR without requiring a credit check. Fuck, not even a credit check? So look, all you miscreants. You didn't pay back your student loans? Bang! But you got some crypto? Bang! Just saying. You'll get you a loan right here. They don't want no credit check. They don't give a fuck about no credit daggone check. All they give a fuck about is some daggone crypto. That's how they're doing around those parts. Those parts right there. All right, hold on. Let's read on because I might be saying some crazy shit and it's all fucked up. That's the truth. I didn't read this one. All right, guys, look. Line of credit offer is currently available to residents of Arizona, California, Idaho. Hold on. Let's even bang these. Hold on. Look. If you want some credit with your crypto, Arizona, buy. California, buy. Idaho, buy. Ohio, buy. And Tennessee, you even miscreants? Holy clan country. Buy. There you go. You're going to get some... All right, hold on. Let me get some sips. You're going to get some daggone. Oh, it is explaining to us. Okay, so here we go. It's going to explain how it works here. I think so. Let's go. And seriously, though, guys, I mean, serious. All right, so let's read first, and then let's get serious. All right. Let's get serious after we read. Let's get serious once we've assessed the situation. All right, folks, so check this out. All right, let's do it. So look, as for fixed terms loans, they're available to the residents of Alaska. Oh, so we got more? Okay, hold on. So look, we got more loans. Hold on. Oh, I see. So my bad. All right. So lines of credit are being offered to Arizona, California, Idaho, Ohio, and Tennessee. We're not going to bang all that. But as for fixed term loans, they're available to the residents of Alaska. Bang! Arkansas. Bang! Connecticut. Bang! Florida. Yeah, that's where I live. Bang! Oh, wait. Okay. Hold on. There's too many states. We're not going to bang all these. Let's just. Hold on. Sorry, guys. All right, look. Just settle down. Let's do this again. As for fixed term loans, they're available to the residents of Alaska, Arkansas, Connecticut, Florida, Illinois, North Carolina, Nebraska, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Texas, Utah, Virginia, and Wyoming. Holy fuck. Here you can borrow up to $100K. Bang! On an 8% APR. You see what I'm saying? I think you can, and because imagine, so that's, right? Like you can borrow $100,000, up to $100,000, with an 8% APR. And so, well, Bitcoin goes up, 20% a day sometimes. All right, let's get more realistic. I mean, it does do that, but say all right, let's just read on. Let's read on. I'm getting hyped now. Now I'm getting hyped. My bad. I'm starting to think of how to make the money out of this. I'm starting to look at all the angles. Oh, yeah, this is good shit right here. That's how you got to do it. You want to be a market master? You got to look at the angles. Got to look at the angles. What are the percentages? What are the amounts? What's the leverage? Oh, yeah. All right, guys. Meanwhile, the price of coin shares is seeing an uptick in line with the gains recorded by Bitcoin, which dropped to 31,000 on Tuesday and is today back above 38 grand, $38,000, 38K. While moving above 224, coin shares price are still down. All right, fuck all that. All right, we're not interested in the coin shares. All right, substantial momentum, but no structural barrier to entry. A Raymond James report written by O'Shaughnessy, David Farnham, and Michael Vinci, which was published Tuesday, gave Coinbase an underperform rating. Oh, this is the Coinbase shares. These guys are talking about Coinbase's shares. I don't give a fuck about their shares. Excuse me. I just want to talk to you guys about the loan thing. Like I said, I know you guys, a lot of you guys want to get into real estate. Sorry, excuse me. A lot of you guys want to get into real estate. Like I said, I'm not getting into real estate. I'm just going to trade, but that's what I know how to do. I don't know anything about real estate. It's a house. I don't know. Yeah, fuck. Look, it's true. It's true. Yeah, you're listening to a market master. I'm a market master, right? Yeah, but I don't know everything in the world. I know fuck all about real estate. I don't even know how to hire a real estate lawyer. I gotta hire a lawyer, an accountant to do it, or help me do it. Like if I want to buy some properties, I have no idea. I know how to show you about how the crypto market gets built. Wow. Custody, insurance. Shit like that. But I know, all right, sorry. Forget about me. Let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you. But I know a lot of you guys want to get into real estate. And honestly, as I'm talking to you, I'm also reading. But that's what we need to see. That's what we need. So, and this is just a bunch of bullshit here. This is about the price of Coinbase down here. All this shit right here, that's just about the price of the Coinbase stock. Fuck all that. We don't need to get into that. But what I want to tell you, though, is just, and we're going to find out. We're going to find out how that loan program works. Because honestly, like I was thinking about it for a lot of you guys want to get into real estate. Man, I mean, you can take a loan against your crypto, but your crypto is still rising. Remember, they have to give you your crypto back. That's what I'm trying to say. If I give you a Bitcoin at 50 grand and you give me a $50,000 loan, all right, I'm doing whatever with this 50,000 to make it so I can pay you back. But this 50 grand worth of crypto is still going up in value. So again, I know I've said it 100 times already tonight. Fuck you, fucking idiot. Stop saying it. But let's just go one more time, okay? But if this 50 grand worth of Bitcoin goes up to fucking 100 G's, well, and I pay you back your 50, well, you still owe me my 100 G's now. Do you get what I'm saying? Well, that's what I hope is happening. I don't know if that's what's happening, and that's what I'm trying to. I guess I'm asking the air. Tell me, someone, but no one's telling me. Obviously, because I'm sitting here in my house, in the studio. But check that out, guys. Check that out, because that's amazing. I mean, that is amazing. That really is amazing. If I could take out loans on my crypto, well, and let's look at it another way. You want to hear something crazy? I take out a 50 grand loan on my crypto, my Bitcoin. Well, you give me the loan, so I buy the house or property, whatever, right? Doesn't have to be a house. It could be any kind of property or whatever. And it goes up to 100 G. Well, I just tell you, well, look, idiot. Just take the fucking 50 grand out of the thing and give me my extra 50 G's, right? You guys get what I'm trying to say? I know, man, I'm harping. I know, but you get what I'm saying? If I double up, if my Bitcoin doubles up while it's in your hands, well, I'll just take the fucking money out of the Bitcoin. Why do I got to pay you back out of my, right out of the regular bank account, out of the fiat account, right? Or right out of my checking account, my savings account, whatever. Yeah, just take the money out of the Bitcoin and then just give me the difference back. I don't know, guys. We'll see. We'll see. I love you guys, man. Yeah, but you got to think of all the angles, All right, let's move on, because the story didn't give us it didn't tell us whether that was the case or not. All right, let's move on. Bang! And then finally, Mexico law. Oh, yeah. Mexico lawmakers aim to follow example of neighboring countries with proposed Bitcoin legislation. So, fuck, this motherfucker down in El Salvador, he started a crypto craze. These Mexican, not Mexican, South American leaders, prime ministers, presidents. Yeah, like I told you, it's a copycat world. And they're thinking, well, how much money can we make out of this? Right? The Ecuadorian guy, was it Ecuador? I don't remember what. El Salvador guy. What was his name? Bukele. President Bukele of. All right, I know. I've been fueling a little bit. But President Bukele of El Salvador, not Ecuador, El Salvador. All right? He did it, and so it looks like there's actually a bunch of South American leaders who are thinking, like I told you, copycat world, they're thinking the same thing. Yeah, why the fuck don't I do that? And look, you world leaders, you dictators, you fucking miscreants, look, of course, why don't you do that? Do that for your citizens. Mine it. Promote it. Get crypto and everything to be a part of your society. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck is wrong with you people? I mean, I harped on it the other day, and I've told you here before. If I was a dictator, well, yeah, there'd be it'd be a whole different ball game. We'd be mining it all. Like I told you, I'd have a mining rig in every citizen's household. Yeah. Hey, look, Miss Smith. Here's a mining rig. Just plug it into that the little port there at the back of your fucking router, your Wi-Fi router, and let's get going. Look, let's get going, Miss Millie. All right, come on, guys, let's go, man. The fuel's kicking in now too much. I'm about to get rowdy. Look, Eduardo Murat Hinojosa. Oh, yeah, that's a powerful name right there. Eduardo. You hear that car? Oh, these fucksticks, they're rowdy tonight. They're rowdy tonight around these parts. Look, and it's fucking 4:15 a.m. That's how it goes around here in South Beach. Look, Eduardo Murat Hinojosa, a senator of the federal government of Mexico, has said that he will be submitting a proposal to lawmakers seemingly aimed at crypto adoption in the country. Bang! In a tweet today, Hinojosa changed his profile picture to feature the senator speaking into a microphone with the iconic laser eyes. Oh, hold on. I think we got some laser eyes right here. Bang! There he is. Bang! Eduardo Murat Hinojosa. All right. Let me calm down, guys. Let me calm down. Oh, hey, I'm feeling good. All right, guys, look. So let's see. He changed his shit to some laser eyes. Eduardo Murat Hinojosa. In a tweet today, Hinojosa changed his profile picture to feature the senator speaking into a microphone with the iconic laser eyes, indicating support for crypto. Yes. You will submit to the crypto. You will submit to the crypto. So look, the lawmaker said, oh my gosh, we're having fun on Saturday. Settle down, everyone. The lawmaker, or whatever you were listening to this, look, the lawmaker said he'd be promoting and proposing a legal framework for crypto coins in Mexico's lower house, specifically mentioned Bitcoin. And here he is. Look, laser boy. Bang! Oh, yeah. The virus is spreading. The virus is spreading. You can't resist the crypto. Look at this. I can't resist the crypto. I've got laser eyes. Can't resist the crypto. Oh, yeah. Can't resist it now. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. You guys should have banned this back in 2011. Bang! You missed it. And we got you. All right. Hinojosa was not the only Mexican lawmaker indicating their support for crypto. Indira Kempes Martinez. Yes, Martinez. A senator representing the state of Nuevo León has also switched her profile to show laser eyes. Oh, see? They can't resist. They can't resist. They all got laser eyes. They all got laser eyes. You can't resist now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The onslaught is overwhelming. The onslaught is overwhelming. You can't resist now. Don't make it hurt. Just let it go through you. Don't resist. Just let it go through you. Just let it go through you. All right. So look, she switched her profile to laser eyes too. And Hinojosa referring to her as a friend to the cause. Yes. We talked about the cause. Don't make me fucking unleash, what's that guy's name? Andrew Racheta. Look, the enforcer to the cause. Yes. So look, we're going to lead the shift to crypto and fintech in Mexico, she said. The social media activity sorry. I'm getting crazy now. Let's talk. The social media activity comes as countries in Latin America have seemingly taken steps towards greater adoption of crypto. In a video announcement to attendees of the Bitcoin 2021 conference last week, El Salvador President Nayib Bukele said he would send a bill to the country's legislature demanding that Bitcoin be made legal tender. And it's legal tender now, so bang. And listen, it's not over, fucksticks. There's more. On Sunday, Paraguayan congressperson Carlitos Rejala hinted that the crypto would be connected to an important project to innovate Paraguay in front of the world starting this week. Yesterday, he added, he was working with local crypto figures in order for Paraguay to become a hub for the crypto investors of the world. Wow. So it's going, oh, here, look at this guy here. Look at this fucker. He's got laser eyes too. So, though Mexico has many individual investors who back Bitcoin, authorities in the country reported last year that cartels have been increasing their use of crypto to launder funds. Yeah, well, whatever, man. So what? Now they're going from fiat to crypto. So what? It's not like they weren't laundering their money before. You know, these motherfuckers talk about crypto. Oh, but these criminals can launder money. Well, how do you think they were laundering it before crypto? I'm 47 years old, and there's been money laundering going on all the time that I've been alive. And crypto's only been around since 2009. Wow. That's only, how many years is that? Not many years. Right? Maybe a decade or so. Yeah, well, money laundering's been going on a lot longer than that. A lot longer than that. So when people complain, oh, but the cryptocurrency, they can launder their money through it. Motherfuckers can launder their money through a lot of things. They've been laundering their money through art. Yeah. Right? Hey, come on. All right, let's not get into all the criminal shit right now. All right, look. Though Mexico has many individual investors who back Bitcoin, authorities in the country reported last year that cartels have been increasing their use of crypto to launder funds. At the time, the head of the Mexican Attorney General's Cyber Investigations Unit said the country's law enforcement lacked the resources needed to tackle money laundering of crypto. Anyway, look, that's how it goes. Bang! Yeah, this guy's ready to rock too. So, right, these guys are ready to rock it as legal tender. Let her rip. Let her rip. Ready to let her rip. And so good stuff, good for crypto, good for the multiverse. All right, let's move on. Bah, what we got here? The chief. Look. Chief has been on top of everything. Look, Chief Vizo from the Pascuyaki tribe. VChain Master. Bang. VChain Hodler. Bang. VChain Killers. Bang. Like I said, he's the chief. So, I mean, you know what I mean? We're talking to the highest authority. The highest. It's like when you say, I'm talking to the president. Yo, take me to your leader. Well, that's him. Chief Vizo is the leader of the Pascuyaki tribe. So look. Love you, Chief. See you, Chief. Bang. What do we got? Oh, we got a soul brother here. Deep Entertainment. Soul brother. Oh, yeah. Love with the Chief brother. Bang. We got Sloppy. Holding down our sleeper cells in the north. Sloppy, love with the Sea brother. Hold down the sleeper cells in the north. Bang. CBNEWS. What's he talking to me about? A solution looking for a problem. Yes. A lot of these things are. Explore the multitude of ways you can start nano today. Well, why are you showing me that? I don't know what you're showing me, man. Sloppy, I love you, brother. Dad got it. Love with you, brother. Bang. Yeah, a lot of these things are solutions looking for a problem. That's how crypto is. This is the problem. And then the industry goes, no, it's not. Uh-oh. Now you just fucked up and wasted your time. All right, new follower. Neil Studsky 2. Neil Studsky 2. Link Marine. Algo Lover. Wait, what does that say? BTC Enthusiast. Doji Believer. Believer in what? Doji doesn't do anything. Whatever. BTC Hodler. iCrypto. Do you? Well, all right, brother. Good luck with that portfolio there. Bye. Oh, I know. I'm going to show you a proper portfolio, brother. Comes from right here. Bang. That's a proper portfolio. But we'll get there when we get there. We'll get there when we get there. It's not time yet. Not time yet. Look. What's this guy's name? Athean and Ram. Early. Wow. Are you talking 2018 early? Or you were talking, you just wake up early? Because if you're just starting to buy crypto now, you're late. Look, love with you with a bang, but still love you. And hope you do well. Of course, that's the whole point. We want everyone to make millions. Want everyone to be champions. Beautiful brawlers. This lady right here. I mean, daggone the nerve. All right, love you, lady. See you, lady. Bye. Bam. Connected the dots. Love with you with the bye. Now, here's a portfolio. That's what a portfolio. Oh, I know. Let's even get it ready. That's what a portfolio should look like. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that's how many you have to have, but that is here's revenue generating. Bang! 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 And I'm not going to go through the whole shit because that's half the crypto market. It'll take me a whole hour to do just that. But that's how you got to do it, brothers. You got to be like Lorna. You got to be like, look. Oh, yeah, get your chips out. Yeah, get your chips right out there, like that. Like a poker game. You put your chips right. Bang. And then they ask you, sir, would you like to make a bet? You take your time. Light yourself a cigarette. Contemplate the cards in your hand. Right, you look at the cards in your hand. All right. You look around the table. Yeah. Miscreants. Daggone miscreants. You just put your cards down nice and slow. Just nice and slow like this, like with a smile on your face. Even a little smirk. Because you know you're not supposed to show emotions when you play poker. Or you have to have a poker face, that's what it's called. But when your hand is so good, you can go like this. See what I'm saying? You see this little, like that. Just a little one. You look around at everyone, just give them a little one. I'm all in. Bang! And that's what she that's how she did it. Just a little smirk. Just a little smirk at the end. When she knew she had him. All right? All right. All the miscreants around the table. She looks at her card. She looks at the card down on the table. All right, poker face. The whole time, poker face. But at the end, the kill shot. Yeah, see that little smirk? Just a little smirk. Right, she put down the cards like that. She put them down. I'm all in. Everyone knew then. Eesh. We're in trouble. Lorna, I love you. I love making the stories around you, too. Look, Lorna. Love you, girl. See you, girl. I can't wait to meet you, girl. Bye. All right, let's move on. Abundantly me. Love, let's see with the bang and the kid. Oh, look at this shit right here. Oh, yeah. I'm a little rusty on my Japanese right now, so I can't translate. But I do know that says Japanese stock investment, crypto assets, just looking at me. All right, buddy. Oh, he's got some Arabic down here. Well, this guy's an interesting guy right here. This guy's an interesting motherfucker. Well, whatever your name is, motherfucker, you're an interesting motherfucker. Bye. Love you, fucker. See you, fucker. Bye. So I got that. Oh, we did this guy already. All right. Oh, yeah. Master Barber Mag. Love with you with the bang. Robbie Hardaway. Love with you with the bang. Radster holding down the insurgency in Eastern Europe. In Prague. Look. Love with you, brother. Yes, our sleeper cells. Bang. We got more. Universal Misanthrope holding down our sleeper cells in Central Europe. Look, don't worry, guys. We've got Europe under control. Love the Jeep with the bang. Now, I'd like to see some of you Middle Eastern motherfuckers come around these parts. some South America, some Asia. Let's set up those sales. But worst cost money. Andrew, the enforcer Richeda, telling you, look, bitch. Oh, yeah, like I said, you tell ya, settle down, Mr. Johnson. Right? That's how I send Andrew to talk to the scared little weak hands, soccer moms and dads. You know, when a little soccer dad gets out of control, when a soccer dad gets out of control. Shomari, you told me this was going to make us money, but I'm down a... Lock. Andrew, talk to this man. Andrew doesn't talk too much. You just give him a quick old smack and tells him, look, settle down, Mr. Johnson. The juice is worth the squeeze. Oh, thank you for making my mind right. You daggone right. Now get out of here, miscreant. Look, juice worth the squeeze, miscreants. Don't make me send Andrew after you. Love and see with the bang. Grunch the ball. Love and see with the bang. Roy Stoke. Love and see with the bang. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's how I do it. Send the fucking... Oh, Banks, new guy. Love and see with the bang. Been hanging out with us. That's everybody, isn't it? Oh, look at this new guy. AJIG, photographer. Traveling, exploring, bike alcoholic. All right. Live with the sea with the bang. Oh, here's a new guy. Neil's Lucky. Oh, I just did that again? Oh, I guess he's been posting all over the place. You're a crypto dealer, like to tweet. All right. Love and see with the bang. And then here we go. Van Breeden and Kitty Van Breeden. Bang. Love you guys. You know I do. And the assassin. Look, spy lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. All right, let's get back to the Death Star. We'll leave it on spy lady. Don't make me send her after your ass. Don't let me send spy lady after you. Oh, she'll be the last person you ever see. Yeah. That's how she is. You know, she's like that. All right, guys. We'll leave it at that, though. So, we had a great show for you today. Bye. All right, guys. Let's check it out. Let's do this and wrap up for the weekend. Interacting brokers. Spy lady. Yeah, she's putting her fucking silencer on. Oh, yeah, she can get you. All right, guys. You don't want any of that. All right, guys, look. Seriously, let's do this and get to the weekend. Interactive brokers to offer crypto. And so, why that interactive brokers thing is so special is, like I told you, guys like me all use interactive broker. I mean, I told you, you all know who I am. If you're new to this channel, I'm a Forex trader. My money makes me money. I do not have a 9-to-5 job, right? I'm a trader. Look at my fucking face. I look like a homeless man. Unless you saw my Armani watch and my Prada glasses, you'd think, holy, look at this fucking piece of shit here. Right. But no, I'm actually a trader. And my money makes me money. And Interactive Brokers is one of the big mega investment brokers for guys like me. Yeah. And so that's what makes this so big in that, like I told you, there's 3 types of people in the investing world. There's, soccer mom and dad, who just trying their hand, trying to do, I'm just going to give it a shot, whatever. Got a half-ass in it. Then there's in interactive broker type guys, us, which I call the middle class of the investment world, in that we know everything that the big guys do, but we just don't have the money that they do. But I know the same shit they do. Whereas soccer mom and dad, they don't know fuck all about fuck all. They're stupid. No offense, because I know probably most of you are that. But interactive broker types, we know everything that a hedge fund master knows, but we just don't have that kind of money, right? but our money makes us money. So a person who trades with Interactive Brokers, we're financially free. We make our money make us money, right? And then, like I said, then you have the mega dogs, right, who, they're out to make billions, right? And so Interactive Brokers is a big deal because most traders, investors in the world, are actually like us. We're just guys who know how to make money. Like, we know, not how to. I mean, yes, how to, but we've been taught the ways to do it. The trend is your friend, buy the dip, idiot. I mean, all the usual bullshit that I tell you guys, which isn't bullshit because that's what really you have to do. And we make money. And we obviously, so I should tell you this, we have more money than the average person, right? You worker bees, you have that much money. Interactive broker type guys have this much money, whereas the guys we're waiting for have like this much money. I mean, they're way bigger than us. And so, but Interactive Brokers coming along is amazing. Now you're going to have real players. Well, like I said, middle class players in the game. And like I said, we are smart money. I know the same thing as that guy in the hedge fund knows. We're the smart money. A part of the smart money. I mean, I guess those guys are way bigger than us, and they have, like I said, analysts and stuff. But, and so that's amazing for the crypto space because, this ain't. If you're an Interactive Broker guy, yeah, you ain't no soccer mom and dad, trading on E-Trade. You're serious. And so here's serious money coming. That's what I say. Here's serious money coming into space. Great for us. Great for the multiverse. Great for crypto. Bang. All right, let's move on. I know. You guys don't understand, but I hope you get it. I hope you understand what the fuck I just told you. All right. And then Coinbase Coinbase offers loans against Bitcoin. And so that's what I want to see. How are these loans operated? If I give you if I give you $100,000 worth of Bitcoin, and then you give me the $100,000 loan, and I go take that loan and make it into more money, do I have to pay you back the $100,000 for the Bitcoin you gave me? Obviously, plus a little interest and stuff. I know I'm not stupid. I'm just saying. But the $100,000, or do I have to buy back where it is once I want to cash out? You know what I mean? So, say I give you $100,000 worth of Bitcoin, and 2 months from now, Bitcoin is worth $150,000. Do I have to buy back at $150,000, or can I just give you back the $100,000 you initially gave me? And so that's what I really want to know. I'm sad and upset. Not sad, I guess the word isn't sad, but I'm more the word pissed that this one and the Ethereum one, they didn't tell us how that works. How does it work? Or, because like I said, if I give you $100,000 worth of Bitcoin, you give me $100,000 worth of money, bang, 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 I go do something with it. But then my Bitcoin goes up to $200,000. Well, can't I just say, well, you only gave me $100,000 loan. You just keep that $100,000 out of the Bitcoin and just give me $100,000 worth of Bitcoin. Let me get the fuck out of here, right? So in other words, I got a free house. Not free, because it's not free. I invested, but I mean, do you guys get what I'm trying to say, right? Do the math like that, right? And so that's what I really want to see. I guess the way to say it is, what are the terms of the loan, right? What are the terms? Because if it's something like, yeah, you're going to give me loans on Bitcoin, and I only have to pay back the original amount you gave me, well, fuck. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's fucking super amazing. And like I said, if I only have to pay you back the original 100 grand, but my Bitcoin goes to 200 grand, well, I just tell you to take out 100 grand out of that. There, your fucking loan's paid off, fucker. Give me 100 grand worth of Bitcoin back. So you basically got free money. You get it? All right, guys. I hope I made sense. If I didn't make it, call me an idiot or whatever in the comments and whatever. All right, so Coinbase loans, bang. And then finally, Mexico crypto legislation. So it looks like down there in South America, I was complaining a few weeks ago, like, fuck, man. We never see anything out of South America. Fuck, what's going on down there? Wow. It looks like the South America program, over there in Europe, the Germans and the Swiss, they're dropping ETPs and all that chicken. Canada's dropping the chicken up there with the ETFs. And it looks like, these guys, though, are going even more hardcore, just kind of like, look, it's legal tender. Yeah, it's legal tender. Now, how does that make you money? It doesn't. But the fact that it's legal tender, well, if you want to do a little regulatory arbitrage, if I'm an American hedge fund and America's not letting me do something, well, I can head on down to South America and get the business done that I need done. You know what I'm saying? I can get the business. I can get that business done. Business. You know what business is? Nah. Not business. Business. That's the hardcore shit. So I can go get some business done down there in South America. And so, yeah, it looks like South America, these guys are really, well, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, El Salvador just did that one thing the other day, making Bitcoin legal tender, which is, it's all right. But, now that you've made Bitcoin legal tender, like, well, what about the rest? And the rest of these distributed ledger technology things, the rest of these digital assets, all right? And so Mexico, what's the other country? Excuse me, hold on. Let me just look, man, so I don't get it wrong. Paraguay. Yeah, they want to do that. They want to do it next. So, yeah, once you make a legal tender, well, people start looking at other stuff. That's what I'm trying to say, I guess, is what I'm trying to get at. I understand that Bitcoin is on a blockchain. Well, are there other blockchain things out here? Oh, VeChain. Oh, Singularity Net. Fucking robot. Oh, Sophia. Oh, Chainlink. You see what I'm saying? You begin to expand your mind. And, well, the educated will. And so this is good for us, good for crypto, good for the multiverse. And so, bang. I mean, we can have whole countries on board. And like I said, it's a copycat world. It's a copycat world. El Salvador did that. All of a sudden, Mexico and Paraguay are like, yeah, us too. Yeah, fucking everybody. All of you. Let's go. All of you. Let's go. So let's hope for that to go down like that. We'll see. Obviously, we'll be keeping track of it here on the channel. So on that note, let's leave it. Let's chill it. Bang. Let's kill it. Bang. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below. Whoops. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. Bang. Greatest show. In the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So look, thanks for having me in your home, and I will see you guys on Tuesday-ish for another fun fact-filled day of Crypto Talk. So look, until then, subscribe here. Bang. Watch that video there. Bang. Greatest of the multiverse. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love you. Well, I do love you. But also, always watching our money, and I'm always on duty. Bye. Have a great weekend, guys, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye. Over and out.